Hello, in this video I will demonstrate how to assign a kind of HBlock to a hardware in order to automatically cut the material. The thing is that many of you guys confuse an HBlock and an HW drill. So actually there are three steps. The first step is to drop a part and not an HBlock on the hardware. The next step is to verify to check the extrude direction. And the last step is to check the anchor position.
Well, let's drop an HBlock, and I just set it in the middle of the grid. I lock the axis, move it to the center point, and by selecting both handles I can enlarge the HBlock currently and do the right same thing on the length, and I set a 25mm depth. Now, the very important thing is that you have to rename the HBlock into HW drill, which is a keyword in Alchema, and you just suppress. Now, I must make sure that the anchor is in the right direction. That's the direction to the cutter. And I also have to check that the extrusion direction is correct. I want to go into the material. And the last thing is that at the part level, I can also make sure that it will be dropped with the right side up. Now, you can save it into your hardware store just by selecting here the various directory, and I save it as a ventilation grid. Well, let's see if it's working properly. I'm going to drop it through my place hardware feature. I drop the ventilation grid, which is right now in a various directory, and I set kind of a value in X and Y axis. And to check if it's working properly, you just need to drop the apply drill. And indeed, you can see that we have a hole_HW drill here. It means that if I hide the ventilation grid right now, I get my cutting. And that's all what I wanted to get.